soulmate, and after they said that, I went straight to the prince and held his hand.
And what exactly did he say to you?
He told me he wanted to see me again, but then his guards came and they didn't let me talk to him anymore.
Of course they wouldn't let you talk to him. You're a peasant and he's a prince. Mother, you told me the prince was my soulmate. He's supposed to kiss me and break my curse, not hers. Remember, she has to do everything she's told. So we'll just tell her, you are forbidden to ever kiss the prince. No. Alina, get the door. Alina.
Your Highness.
I just had to see you again. I had my guards find out where you live.
Listen, I need your help with my curse. My stepmother, she's controlling me.
Your Highness! Hi! Ignore her. She's our maid. Have a rich mom or a rich dad? Well, my dad left when I was 8, so I think we gotta go with rich dad. Especially because we need the money. That must be him. Hello. Dad? Huh? No offense, but I expected you to be dressed a little nicer than that. Gee, maybe it's because I'm the postman, not your dad. Sorry. I wonder what's in here.
Holy.
Mom. What? What is it, honey? I found you a new husband, and we're gonna be set for life. Did you sign me up for a dating show? No, Mom, I picked a rich dad, and just look in this envelope. There's $2,000 in here. I know. Isn't this great, Mom? I'm gonna have a dad again. Oh, honey. This letter shows he's a billionaire. He's never gonna visit us. I bet you that's him. Dad! We're looking for the daughter of a billionaire. You're not their maid, right? Of course she is. Tell him you're our maid.
I'm their maid.
Listen, I need to speak to Alina alone. But your Highness.
You heard the prince, stepmother. He wants to speak to me alone.
Of course. Just don't listen to a word he tells you. So you need help breaking your curse?
What?
Alina, listen to me. You need me to break your curse.
Right, yes, my curse.
You still haven't told me what it is. But it doesn't matter, because I'm almost positive I'm your soulmate. So, I should just... You are forbidden to ever kiss the prince. Oh. Okay, well, that hurt.
I'm so sorry.
You don't want me to kiss you?
No, I didn't mean to do that. I forgot that I wasn't allowed to...
Look, it's alright. Maybe we just aren't soulmates after all.
Share my soulmate's hair color or share my soulmate's eye color? I mean, I just got my highlights done and I don't really want to change it, so I think I'm gonna share his eye color. Here goes nothing.
Oh, honey, have you looked in the mirror?
No, I thought they were gonna give me his eye color, not just one of his eye colors.
Hey girl, why are you wearing sunglasses inside?
No reason.
Then why won't you look me in the eyes? Come on, girl, we're besties. We're supposed to tell each other everything.
Alright, you caught me. It's because I look like this, okay? Do you have any idea how I can get my eyes back to normal?
I'm pretty sure you have to meet your soulmate.
But that could take literally forever. I'm just gonna keep these on for now.
Hey!
I am so sorry. It's really hard to see with these on, but having said that, you actually have really pretty eyes.
Thank you. You have really nice brown eyes too.
Well, thanks, but one is literally green right now.
No it's not.
More bloopers from my chaotic filming. I thought I could catch it.
And after they say it, my eyebrow is so itchy. How long has that been on my lip? I had a freaking hair on my lip.
What you say?
I am so sorry. Wow. I really don't want to share. Why did I eat the whole thing?
You stupid. Did wrong, so wrong, so wrong, so wrong.
Stop it. Get some help.
I'm slowly starting to lose it. I lost it.
Hey, is everything okay?
Not really. My dog passed away today.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I know exactly how you're feeling. About a year ago, I lost my goldfish, Billy, and it's just been such a hard time for me trying to keep going on. And my therapist says, you know, you just gotta keep swimming, like, just keep doing what Billy couldn't. And
Yeah, I gotta go. I really strained my wrist in volleyball today.
Oh my gosh. You know, my grandma actually has arthritis, and sometimes I feel like I can feel her pain by her talking about it. Like, does my wrist feel warm? I feel like it's aching. Like,
My boyfriend broke up with me today.
I remember when my boyfriend broke up with me, he just ghosted me out of the blue. Granted, he wasn't really aware that he was my boyfriend. Like, a couple months back, Justin Bieber started ghosting me, wasn't responding to my DMs.
I'm sorry, Justin Bieber?
Yeah, I mean, he never responded to my DMs, but it felt like a relationship to me. And that heartbreak hit different, you know? You're gonna make it through this too. Like, it's not like as bad as your dog dying.
Hi, we're looking for the daughter of a billionaire.
I'm sorry, I think you have the wrong house. Mom? Went to go deposit your new dad's money, be back later? Seriously, Mom? Well, I guess it's up to me to call the
Wait a minute.
cops.
Don't do that. Put the phone down.
How did you two get in here?
You left your back door open?
Well, you better stand back because I am highly trained in the art of origami.
Isn't that paper folding?
I was kind of hoping you guys wouldn't know what that was.
Relax, we're your bodyguards. Your father sent us.
Oh yeah? Then why was he pointing his weapon at me?
I told you to put your weapon away. Whoops. Sorry, he's new. Well, your father wanted us to give you this. He also wanted us to give you this. He's gonna use it to call you.
Dad?
Hey, kid. It's so great we can finally see each other.
I get to pick whether I'm gonna have a baby brother or a baby sister?
Pick sister.
But I want a baby brother.
Are you the one delivering the baby?
No.
Then pick sister.
Fine.
She's here.
Hi. Shh, no, don't cry. It's okay.
Give her to me. You're holding her wrong.
Hey, what are you doing?
Your little sister needs toys. You're way too old for that anyways.
Ready? Catch.
Ow!
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hit you in the eye.
My baby, what did you do to her?
It was an accident.
Yeah, right. You know what? Go to your room. Your sister needs a blood transfusion.
What?
Yes, it's a really long story, but I told them you would donate your blood. Come on, we gotta go to the hospital now.
Wait!
You need to donate your blood to your little sister. Come on, we have to get to the hospital now.
Wait!
Okay, honey, let me see your arm. Samantha!
I'm sorry, I can't do it. You know I have a fear of needles.
Your little sister needs your help, ma'am. We cannot force her. Maybe you want to donate?
Yeah, why don't you donate your blood? After all, she's your favorite.
Okay, I'll remember this.
Mommy and I are going on vacation.
What about me?
You're staying here, you have school. We'll only be gone for 2 weeks or so.
2 weeks? But what about food and—
You can drive, and here's money for food. Now say bye, sissy.
Bye, sissy.
I used up all the money Mom gave me for gas for school, and now I'm starving, and there's nothing to eat.
Sorry you missed me. Leave a message after the beep. Hi there, I'm Officer Bloom. Your neighbors have reported this house. Are your parents home, sweetheart?
Who are your parents?
Well, my parents are—
Wait, dear. Actually, allow me. Bippity-boppity-boo. Daughter of Rapunzel and Flynn.
Actually, it's Eugene.
Oh, I'm sorry, dear. You'll be needing this now.
What is that?
Dear, this is a high school for good and evil. This is how we track your behavior.
Oh.
You better get to class.
Hi, I'm Ruby, daughter of Snow White.
It's nice to meet you, Ruby. I'm Amelia, daughter of Rapunzel.
Oh, I'm a big fan of your father. Could you help me hold my books?
Of course.
Thank you.
Hey, so question, who are all those guys over there?
Amelia, those are the villain kids. Don't make eye contact.
Would your hair happen to be magic, love? Oh, feisty. I'm sorry, love. I shouldn't have touched it. What's the matter? Did you figure out who my father is?
Why did my scale move towards evil?
Maybe because you have a crush on a villain's son.
I think my butt getting big. It's getting hot. So take a
You're going to tell the cop exactly what I say. You sure you're okay?
Yeah.
Everything's fine.
Sissy, you wanna play?
Not right now, okay?
Mommy, Sissy's being mean to me.
She is.
I wasn't. I was just telling her that I didn't want to play right now.
Baby, go watch Coco Melon. I'm gonna talk to Samantha. Honey,
What?
I got in contact with your father.
No, you didn't.
Yes, Samantha, I did, and he has kindly offered to let you live with him.
No, Mom, I don't want to go live with him.
He's expecting you. Come on, we have to go.
No, I haven't talked to him in a long time. I'm not going.
Fine. Samantha, dinner's ready.
I'm not hungry.
Well, that's not what you told the cop, now is it? You said I don't feed you, so here's your food. Is it good, Samantha? Good.
Mom?
Yeah?
I don't really feel so good.
Why is Sissy sleeping?
Because we're going on a road trip.